2008 Leaf Rookies and Stars football. Nice big piece of cardboard there. We got a Jonathan Stewart cross-training rookie, numbered out of 1,000. And another nice big piece of cardboard. Alright, more cardboard. Oh, nice, a redemption. Freshman Orientation Signature Materials. Card number 14. Let's see who card number 14 is. Hopefully it's somebody good. Freshman Orientation Signature Materials. Well, freshman orientation jersey number 14 is Early Doucette. So not the best of players. Here's a gold card of Reggie Bush, numbered 31 out of 49. And another big piece of cardboard. Here's a Studio Rookies of Deshaun Jackson, numbered out of 1,000. And well, here's a jersey card of Deshaun Jackson, Dress for Success, numbered out of 250. Here's a Eli Manning insert, numbered out of 249. And a nice big thick piece of cardboard. All base. All base. All base. There's a rookie, Jamar Adams, numbered out of 999. Not very good there. More cardboard. Here's a gold Studio Rookie Ray Rice jersey, numbered out of 250. Insert Trent Edwards. Telephone ringing.
Hold on.
Rookie card Dexter Jackson, numbered out of 1,000.
Hold on.
All base. Frank Gore, numbered out of 249. Cardboard. Justin Fargas, numbered out of 99. That's our last hit. The Jamal Charles, numbered out of 250, jersey. And a rookie card for the Colts, Jacob Tamme, numbered out of 999. Best pack. Rookie card Dontrell Savage for the Chiefs, $9.99. That's it. Thank you.